Basecamp Managers. I'm Emily Ho from District 89. As Club President, VPE, or Secretary, you have a very important role as a Basecamp Manager. Not only you need to help guide your members to progress in pathways, you also have the right to approve their level completion in pathways too. So let's find out, how do we approve a member's level completion in pathways?
After your member has completed the projects in a level, you will help verify and approve for them. To do so, first you log in your TI website and go to Basecamp. Then, you can log in as Basecamp Manager, which is over here. Log in as Basecamp Manager. Here you can see the page for Basecamp Managers with 3 parts. One part on pending requests, one part showing members' progress, and one part manager tutorials, which you can check out information for yourself. Here you can see the button pending requests, where you can approve member requests here. We click on it, and here you can see the pending request for your approval. You can see the member's name on one side, the member's level progression here, and then you have the options, tick, saying approve, or cross it out, or deny the request. So here, we approve the members' pending requests. See if you have any additional comments to key in here. Then we click submit. So that's done. And if there's another member having a level completed, so you approve, click submit. And no more pending requests here. After approving the requests, then you can contact your member, say congratulations, then they can start the next level projects. Remember that approving a level completion in pathways does not contribute to your club's education DCP points, nor update the education title of your member in TI system. To submit an education award for your member in TI, you need to submit the information in Club Central. This is important especially for members to fulfill requirements for meeting contest eligibility, as well as calculating your club's DCP progress.